Okay, so tonight we're going to talk about estimating and why it helps us with these larger numbers, and how maybe splitting up the numbers will help us get a better estimate. So first thing I'm going to do, and you can write this in your notebook with me so that when your parents ask you for it tonight, you have it in your notebook. 6 times 3,095. So traditionally, if I were just estimating this, I would do to the nearest thousand, because that's the bigger number, and that's where I would go, because that's easy schmeezy. So I would estimate 6 times 3,000. So my total would be 18,000. If I was actually multiplying this, it would be 18,000 plus 540 plus 30, which would give me 18,570. 570 is really far away from 18,000. So how can I make this estimate a little closer? How can I make this estimate a little closer? I can start by including, here's my fix. I would do the 6 times 3,000 still. But I would also look at this part of the number and go, 95 is really close to 100. So I would add 6 times 100. Then I would have 18,600 as my estimate. And do you see how much closer that is to my actual product? So when you're looking at larger numbers, you need to look to, because it's hard when you're talking about 1,000 numbers you're dealing with. It's hard to get it closer, a good estimate. So let's do another one. 7 times 2,784. So in the good old days of rounding or estimating, you might go 7 times 3,000, which would give me 21,000. You should be writing this in your notebook if you're not writing it already. If I'm actually multiplying this out, I would go 7 times 2,000 is 14,000. I would say 7 times 700 is 4,900. I would say 7 times 8 is 560, and 7 times 4 is 28. I would add this up and got 19,488. There's a big discrepancy here. Yes? Okay. So I kind of need to fix my estimates. How could I fix my estimate? I'm going to keep my 7 times 2,000. And I'm going to focus my attention right here on the 784. 784 is probably closer to 800. So then I would do 7 times 800 and add it to my 14,000. So it would be 14,000 plus and my estimate is a lot closer. So when you're dealing with these bigger numbers, you need to kind of alter the way you estimate a little bit if you want to get a truer, closer estimate of what you're doing or checking your work. If you don't have these examples written in your notebook, parents, ask them why. Because I'm standing here right now on the video camera asking them to do it.